Here you go. Open it up. Careful. I'll hold up. All right, do the lid. Lift the lid off.
I can't.
It's a real kitten for you.
Aww.
Who wants to see you? It's meowing for you.
Go get her.
Are you a little bit scared of it?
Here, I'll go get it for you. I'll get it for you.
Maybe he will scratch.
No, he won't scratch.
Sit down on the couch.
You
Daddy
got-
will get her to hold.
He got some nice kitty. Right?
Yeah.
Come here, Sam.
Nice kitty. No.
No,
Here,
here.
what?
He just said I would.
Yeah, you just go like this. Start petting it.
You'll have to think of a name for her.
I don't know.
You better?
Kitty. Look
She
at
sat on my arm last night for a long time. I'll show you. Here, listen. Listen. Come here. Listen to me. That means she's happy.
Would you?
Turn around, sit down.
Oh. Where's Kitty? She likes it.
She's purring for you.
Wants to explore. Says, what's I doing in that box? Where's my stuff?
Whoa, come back, Kitty.
Go shut the door.